Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to make this photo composite. So it looks like your object is coming up from an alphabet. It's really easy to do, you should try it, especially for beginners. I will show you how to apply this effect in Affinity Photo. Okay, so without any further ado, let's open up Affinity Photo and get started. So I'll be using these photos that I download on Unsplash as an example. If you want to download it and follow along with me, just go to the description and click on the link to download these photos. Okay, so first make a text and change the font size to make it bigger. I'll set it to 3000. Okay, then I will type T, then align it with the object. Okay, so that was first step. After that, unlock this lock symbol and duplicate the object layer by pressing Ctrl J. Then move one of the object layer inside the text layer and it will look like this. Okay, after that, move the other object layer above the text layer. Then hold Ctrl button and click on this A symbol on the text layer and it will make a selection. Then click on the object layer and press mask to mask the object layer. Then press Ctrl D to deselect and use brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is white. Then pan on the object to bring it out. Okay, it doesn't need to be precise. You don't need to worry about the edges. We will fix it later. So just pan it like this. After that, right click on the mask layer and click Refine Mask. You can watch this video about Refine Mask if you want to know how to use it and what all of these adjustments do. Okay, so just pan over the edges to separate the background and the object. Okay, just pan it little by little like this. Sometimes you need to pan it a few times. And it's not 100% precise, but we will remove the remaining background using eraser. Okay, this will do. Then make sure the output is masked and click apply. And it's basically done. We just need to clean it. So I will make a background and change the color to gray. Then I will apply layer effects to the text layer. I will apply an shadow. Set the radius to 50 and the intensity to 10. Then click on the mask layer, make sure it's selected and use eraser to remove the remaining background. And also delete the edges as well. So make sure the mask layer is selected so that we can always bring back the detail. And I will also bring up this part. Okay, and it's done. As you can see, so the inner shadow gives this 3D effects on the edges. and it looks more realistic. Okay, so let me show you another example. This time I will use this photo as a background and use this animal as the object. I will fast forward this part, so just enjoy it. And it's done, but I will apply curves adjustment for this photo. And color balance. Okay, so this is the final result. Oh yeah, and I will add shadow as well below here. Make sure you use light brush. And here you go, it's done. So this is the final result. As you can see, it's really easy to do it, and the result is cool as well. You should try it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from this video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.